Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is TIMO-TECH Electronics, a car care you can trust. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a vehicle security system. Okay, so this is a siren. Okay, this is a siren for the system. Here is the remotes, and these are the cables. This is the LED indicate light. This is a double-sided tape which we use to fit the LED, and this is a relay for the engine cut, and this is the system, the unit. Okay, this is a shock sensor, yeah, the one which triggers the impact. Okay, and here is the manual book, car security alarm system, user manual book. Yeah, so the operation instruction, description of function and features, wire connection guide. So here I'm going to talk about the wire connection guide. So these are the cables. Okay, I'm going to show you how to connect this alarm system. Okay, okay, so I'm going to start with the power. Okay, okay, so this, the red one with fuse. Okay, this is 15 amps fuse, as you can see. So this is a permanent power. It's a 12 volts permanent power, 12 volts. The black one, okay, this is the ground, negative. The pink one, is for the siren. These two whites, let me split it. Okay, so these two whites are for the central locking. There's positive and negative for this central locking. Okay, so the brown ones goes to the indicators, and these, okay, and these two yellow, okay, these two yellow goes to the ground, to the negative, both to the ground, and these two orange both to the positive. Okay, so yeah, I think on this we are done with the connection. This brown one goes to the indicators, these two orange goes to the positive, both yellow goes to the negative, and these two white is for the central locking, goes to the central locking, positive and negative. The red one is for the permanent power, 12 volts. The black one is for the ground. The pink one goes to the siren, and there is this small harness. Okay, so on this white one goes to the ACC power, 12 volts. This blue one goes to the door switch, N door switch. This orange goes to the brake light, and this yellow one goes to the relay. After connecting relay, this is where you connect the yellow one. So after connecting all these, this is the LED light indicator, and relay. This is relay. Okay, this is shock sensor. This is where to adjust the sensitivity and the siren. Okay, yeah, Octopus and TIMO-TECH. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and share the video for more tips. I'm here to teach you how to install security system.